To enable Wells Fargo mobile banking, start by downloading the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the app is downloaded, open it and select the option to enroll in mobile banking. You will need your Wells Fargo account information, including your account number, social security number, and a valid email address. Enter this information accurately to proceed with the enrollment process. After providing the required information, you will be prompted to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a unique and secure username and password that you can remember easily. Next, set up your security questions and answers to add an extra layer of protection to your account. Select questions that are easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. You will then be asked to accept the terms and conditions of Wells Fargo's online banking service. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to confirm your acceptance. Finally, you will receive a confirmation email from Wells Fargo to verify your email address. Click on the link provided in the email to complete the enrollment process. Your Wells Fargo mobile banking account is now enabled, and you can start using the app to manage your accounts, pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely. Remember to always keep your login credentials secure and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any potential fraud. To get the most out of Wells Fargo's mobile banking service, explore the various features and tools available, such as account alerts, budgeting tools, and mobile deposit. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of mobile banking while maintaining the security of your financial information.